You got two refrigerators here. Yeah, and that goes into the
This is the fridge, and that's the fridge.
Yeah, I'm giving y'all all the views.
Okay, this is not a spilling. This is the kitchen.
Yeah, you know, this is the extra kitchen. Yeah, this is the extra kitchen. This is the extra kitchen.
This is the door they came in.
Yeah. This is a whole nother kitchen. And then of course the scullery back there, so she can,
That's another refrigerator back there.
Another refrigerator back there. Yeah, 2 kitchens. Yeah. So and then back here, so that goes to the garage that was downstairs. Yeah. So let's go this way. So when you go outside, this is like a resort. Say whatever you want, be careful. But look at this.
No, that was the first thing I saw.
Yeah, look at that.
That was the first thing I saw.
Pop these up. You got all your chairs. Yeah, we haven't got there yet.
Oh, we haven't got
Yeah, we'll go there.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep pointing.
Yeah, see the balconies up there? I don't know if you can see the balconies, but they're up there. There's one on that side as well. Yeah, these are the landmines. But look at it, it's done up pretty well, the landscaping. Yeah, and then that whole, that big wall that you pass by, that's the wall right there that had all the stuff on it.